So let's take a look at how you can create new array in Apex with Salesforce developer console. So first thing, log into your developer console, then open that. Okay, now it should open in new window. Now here we are going to open this anonymous window for execution. I can remove the existing code. Okay, now here we have to type in string, and we are basically making an array of products. So let's say array of products and new list, and here we pass in string. Okay, and add a semicolon. Next thing would be to basically add those products. So array of products dot add. So here I'm just going to copy this line and then add the products. So let's add 4 of such. So let's say pepper, pen, then you have like simple products, and then table. Now you have 4 products that you wish to add. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use for loop, and integer I sets to 0, and here make sure to I is less than your array of products, and then I++, and we will basically use system.debug to output those products. Okay, so what we'll do is products, and then append our array of products, and we pass in I value so that each time it increments, it adds 1 product from that array. Okay, so what we can do is we click on execute, and our output should be in user debug. If there are any errors, you may notice the value will be listed something like this. So let's take a look at where it is showing that problem. Okay, so here as you can see, I have compared with array of products, but we have to list the size. Okay, so I'm not sure really, so its size is that uppercase or lowercase, but we will execute and see. Okay, so next thing, execute, and as you can see, there is log generating. We have to check the user debug output. So let's check in events. Okay, here you see user debug, paper, pen, then pencil, okay, and table. So it will go through that loop and output in user debug accordingly, pen, paper, table, one by one. Okay, so you get the idea how to create array, and also you got the idea how to output that array.